Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is the haloalkanes and haloarenes. That is the chapter 11th chapter. 11th chapter, chemistry second year English medium. Previous class discussed about the organic compound containing the nitrogen. That is those organic compound containing the nitrogen atom consist of the four salt. That is the first one amines, second one is the diazonium salt, third one is the cyanides, and fourth one is the isocyanates. That in previous class discussed about the organic compound containing the nitrogen atom. But today we are going to discuss about the haloalkanes and haloarenes. What is the meaning of the haloalkanes and haloarenes? Here is the halo means that the halogens means that it indicates the X. X also known as a halogens. X also known as a halogen or 7th A group elements. Here is the 7th A group elements are fluorine. Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Those elements also known as a halogens or halides. Here is the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Here is the halogens atom bonding with the aliphatic compound or aromatic compounds. That is also known as a aliphatic compound, also known as a haloalkanes. Aromatic compound also known as a haloarenes. Here is the alloalkane or haloarenes. Halogen atom or halogen function group bonding with the aliphatic compound, that is also known as a R bond X. Here is also known as a R bond X, also known as a aliphatic alkyl halides. Alkyl halide. It is also known as a haloalkane. Haloalkane. X bond also known as a haloalkane or alkyl halides. Alkyl halide. Here is the halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound, that is also known as the R. R means that the aliphatic bond means that the CH3 bond CH2. Here is the bonding. Here is also known as a chain system. The chain system of the aliphatic compound bonding with the halogen atom, that is also known as the haloalkanes. Remaining haloarenes. Here is the halogen atom bonding with the aromatic compound, that is the benzene bonding with the halides, that is also known as a halobenzene or haloarenes, that is the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Aliphatic compound, that is also known as a chain system of the methyl function group, that is also known as CH2 bond CH2 or R bond X, that is also known as the haloalkanes. And benzyl rings bonding with the halogen atom, it is also known as a haloarenes. That is the chapter name of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In the replacement of hydrogen atom, the replacement of hydrogen atom, it is also known as a R bond X. R bond X. That is also known as a replacement of hydrogen atom. Replacement of hydrogen atom. R bond H, it is also known as the alkane. Here is the hydrogen atom. The replacement of the hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon, it is also known as a hydrocarbon. Here is the replacement of hydrogen atom in a carbon atom, that is also known as a aliphatic compound or aromatic compound by the halogen atom, results in the formation of haloalkanes. As a results in the formation of haloalkanes or haloarenes, that is the respectively. Haloalkanes or haloarenes means that the replacement of the hydrogen atom in the hydrocarbon atom, the replacement of the hydrogen atom, here is also known as the replacement of hydrogen atom by the hydrocarbon atom in a hydrocarbon of aliphatic or aromatic compound by the halogen atom, results in the formation of haloalkanes or haloarenes respectively. That is also known as a haloalkanes or haloarenes. Next one, Here is the haloalkanes, haloarenes means that the replacement of hydrogen atom, the replacement of the hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbons, hydrocarbons of aliphatic compound or aromatic compound by the halogen atom results in the formation of haloalkanes or haloarenes, that the respectively. It is also known as a haloalkanes or haloarenes. Simply, haloalkanes means that the halogen atom bonding with the alkanes are also known as alkanes. Remaining halogen atom bonding with the arenes, AR, that is also known as haloarenes. That is the replacement of hydrogen atom by the hydrocarbons. By the hydrocarbons of aliphatic or aromatic, halogen atom, here is the X also known as a halogen atom, results in the formation of haloalkanes or haloarenes, that is the respectively of haloalkane or haloarenes. Next, another one, classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes or haloarenes is classified into different ways on the basis of number of halogen atom. Here is the haloalkanes or haloarenes is classified in different ways on the basis of number of halogen atom. Which is based halogen atom, number of halogen atom. The number of halogen atoms on the basis of haloalkane or haloarenes is classified into different ways, or haloalkanes or haloarenes is classified into different method on the basis of the number of halogen atom of bonding with the aromatic compound or aliphatic compound. That is the first one. Those may be classified. Here is the haloalkanes or haloarenes. Those compounds may be classified as a mono. Mono means that the single one. Those compounds may be classified into as a mono. Mono means that the single one. Mono, second one di, next one is the di means that the two. Or polyhalogen. Halogens means that the number of halogen atom. That is also known as a polyhalogen atom. Like that, tri also known as a 3, tetra, 4, penta, 5, that is the polyhalogen atom. Next, halogen atom of the compound, depending on they containing 1, 2 or more halogen atom in their structure. For example, here is the aliphatic compound, ethyl halide or haloethane. Halogen atom bonding with the alkanes, like that. Here is the C2H5 bond X. Halogen atom bonding with the alkyl group, that is the only one halogen atom bonding with the alkyl group. Here is the number of halogen atom bonding with the parent carbon atom, that is also known as a monohalogen atom. Here is the halogen atom, haloalkanes or haloarenes can be classified into different method on the basis of number of halogen atom. That is the first one. Only one halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound, that is also known as a carbon function, that is also carbon chain system. One halogen atom bonding with the ethyl group, that is also known as a monohalides. Monohalides means that the only one halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound, that is also known as a monohalogen atom. Monohaloalkane. Mono means that the single one. Halo X also known as a halogen. Monohaloalkane, only single halogen atom bonding with the alkanes, that is also known as a monohalogen atom. Second one, dihalogen atom. Two halogen atom, X1, next one. Two halogen atom bonding with the alkanes, that is also known as a dialkane. That is also known as the aliphatic compound. Aliphatic means that the chain system. Next, three halogen atom or trihalogen atom. Here is the 1, 2, 3. Number of 3 halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound. That is also known as a trihaloalkanes. 3 halogen atom bonding with the carbon chain system, it is also known as a trihaloalkane. That is also known as a aliphatic compound. Remaining another one halogen atom, only one single halogen atom bonding with the aromatic compound. That is also known as a monohaloarenes. Monohaloarenes. Because of single, only one halogen atom, mono, that is also known as a monohalogen atom. Single halogen atom bonding with the aromatic compound, it is also called as a monohaloarene. Single halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound, that is also known as a monohaloalkanes. Next, another one. 2 halogen atoms, here then 1, 2. 2 halogen atom bonding with the aromatic compound. It is also known as a dihaloarenes. Dihaloarenes. 2 halogen atom bonding with the benzenide group. That is also known as a di. 2 halogens, number of halogen atom di, it means that the dihaloarenes. Next one, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 halogen atom bonding with the benzenide group. That is also known as a trihaloalkane. Trihaloarenes. Trihaloarene. Benzenide groups also called as a arenes. That is the classification of monoalkanes or dialkanes or trialkanes or arenes. Haloalkanes or haloarenes can be classified into different method on the basis of the bonding of the number of carbon atom, bonding of the number of halogen atom, Here is in any compound, the halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound or aromatic compound, that is the basis of number of halo group, that is also number of function group, that is also called as a monohaloalkanes or monohaloarenes. Here is the aliphatic compound, mono, that is also known as single halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound, it is also called as a monohaloalkanes. 2 halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound, that is also known as a dihaloalkanes. Next one, 3 halogen atom, 1, 2, 3. 3 halogen atom bonding with the aliphatic compound, that is also called as a trihaloalkanes. Remaining, here is the only one halogen atom bonding with the benzenide group or aromatic compound, that is also called as a monohaloarenes. 2 halogen atom bonding with the aromatic compound, it is also called as a dihaloarenes. 3 halogen atom bonding with the aromatic compound, that is also called as a trihaloalkanes. Next one, compound containing sp3, that is also known as a sp3 hybridization. C bond X, halogen bonding with the carbon atom, that is the carbon bond X. Compound containing sp3 hybridization, those compound exist the sp3 hybridization, that is the carbon bonding X. X bonding with the parent carbon atom exists the sp3 hybridization, because of here is the carbon parent carbon atom bonding with the 4 single bond, that is also called as a sp3 hybridization of C bond X, that is the compound containing sp3 hybridization of C bond X. Next one, X means that the 7th group elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. This class includes alkyl halides or haloalkanes, allylic halides, and third one is the benzylic halides. The compound containing sp3 hybridization C bond X or sp2 hybridization C bond X or sp hybridization C bond X. This can be included as haloalkanes. or alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. And the second one is the allylic halides. Allylic halides, that is also known as a double bond X. That is also allylic halides. Next one, benzylic halides. That is also compound containing different hybridization of C bond X. That is the first one, alkyl halides, R bond X, or haloalkanes. R bond X also called as a alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Here is the first one, the alkyl halides or haloalkanes can be classified into three types on the basis of number of halogen atom bonding with the carbon atom of aliphatic compound. A replacement of hydrogen atom. Here is the replacement of hydrogen atom. Replacement of hydrogen atom in the replacement of hydrogen atom in hydrocarbons or aliphatic compound. The replacement of hydrogen atom in the aliphatic compound. Aliphatic or aromatic compound, but here is the aliphatic compound. The halogen atom results as a haloalkanes. Here is the replacement of hydrogen atom bonding with the X. Only one halogen atom bonding with the carbon atom. That is also known as a primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halides means that the only single halogen atom bonding with the replacement of hydrogen atom. Replacement of hydrogen atom, that is also known as a primary haloalkanes. Next, another one, second one here. Halogen atom replaced by the hydrogen atom. Halogen atom replaced by the hydrogen atom. In this halogen atom replaced by the hydrogen atom of carbon. Here is the center of carbon atom bonding with the two alkyl groups. Here is the carbon atom bonding with the only one alkyl. One alkyl bonding, that is also known as a primary alkyl halides. Next one, here is the halogen atom bonding with the carbon atom. Those carbon atom bonding with the two alkyl group, that is also called as a secondary alkyl halides. Next, another one, here is the third one, halogen atom bonding with the carbon atom. This is the center carbon atom bonding with the three alkyl groups, the replacement of hydrogen atom. That is also known as a tertiary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides and secondary alkyl halides and tertiary alkyl halides. Halogen atom bonding with the carbon atom. In this carbon atom bonding with the only one alkyl group, that is the replacement of hydrogen atom. That is also known as a only one alkyl group bonding with the carbon atom. That is the replacement of hydrogen atom. It is also called as a primary alkyl halides or primary haloalkane. Next one, here is the center of carbon atom bonding with the two alkyl groups, the replacement of hydrogen atom. That is also called as a secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides. And the third one, here is the halogen atom bonding with the carbon atom. This is the center carbon atom bonding with the three alkyl groups, that is the replacement of hydrogen atom. Replacement of hydrogen atom, that is also known as a tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halides. That is the primary, secondary and tertiary. Next, another one, X also known as a halogen atom bonded to the sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization of the carbon atom of alkyl groups. Here is the hydrogen atom is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. For example, here is the X. Halogen atom is bonded with the sp3 hybridization. Due to the presence of, here is the halogen atom bonding with the center of carbon atom bonding with the only 4 single bonds, that is also known as a sigma bond and sigma, sigma, sigma. 4 sigma, that is also known as the center of carbon atom, exists the sp3 hybridization. Next, secondary alkyl halides in center of carbon atom bonding with the 2 alkyl group. Here is the center of carbon atom bonding with the 4 sigma bond, 4 single bond. that is also known as, here is the center of carbon atom undergo sp3 hybridization. Remaining, here is the center of carbon atom bonding with the 4 single bonds, that is also known as a 4 sigma bond, that is also known as a sp3 hybridization. Primary and secondary and tertiary alkyl halides undergo sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group, sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group, because of those carbon atom bonding with the only 4 sigma bonds or 4 single bonds, that is also known as a sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. And second one is the allylic halides. Allylic halides, here is the halogen atom. The compounds in which halogen atom bonding to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom to the next C double bond C. Here is the, for example, C double bond C. It is right that C double bond C. Bond C, here is the bond H. Next one, bond H, bond X. Halogen atom, the compound in which halogen atom is bonded. The halogen atom bonded with the sp3 hybridization, because of sigma 1 sigma 2 sigma 3 sigma 4 sigma. Here is the compound in which halogen atom bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom of next to the C double bond C, that is also carbon double bond carbon, that is the allylic carbon atom. Allylic carbon atom, here is the in compound in which the halogen atom bonding with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of next C double bond C, that is also called as a allylic halides. Next one, in benzenide group, it exists the double bond. The halogen atom bonded with the sp3 hybridized, because of here is the carbon atom consist. Center of carbon atom, the halogen atom bonding with the sp3 hybridization due to the presence of 4 single bond. Here is the 1, next 2, next one side 3 hydrogen atom. 4 single bond, hydrogen atom bonded with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of next C double bonds. Here is the next C double bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is the carbon double bond C, that is the allylic halides. Here is the aromatic compound, next one is the aliphatic compound, that is the alkyl halides. Allylic halides. Next, third one is the benzylic halides. Benzylic halides means that the compound in which the halogen atom, X also known as a halogen atom, bonded with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here is the halogen atom. The halogen atom bonding, here is the halogen atom bonding with the bonded with the sp3 hybridization. Here is the bonding with this carbon atom. This carbon atom bonding with 4 single bond. Here is the single bond 1, next hydrogens 2, next one is the 3. So here is the halogen atom bonding C bond halogen. The compound in which the halogen atom bonded with the carbon atom, this carbon atom undergo sp3 hybridization due to the presence of 4 single bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single bond consider 4 sigma bond, that is also called as a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here is the benzylic group. In this compound, the halogen atom bonded with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of next on aromatic compound. Next on aromatic. Here is the next of aromatic compound. Halogen atom bonding with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of next on aromatic compound. That is also known as a benzylic halides. Next one, here is this compound. The halogen atom bonded with the sp3 hybridization, center of carbon atom, undergo sp3 because of 4 single bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also known as a 4 single bond consider sp3 hybridized carbon atom of next on aromatic group. That is also called as a benzylic halides. Next one, compound containing sp2 C bond X. This compound containing sp2 hybridization. In this class includes, first one is the vinyl halides, second one is the aryl halides. Vinyl means that the C double bond C. Those bonding carbon atom include the X, that is also known as a vinyl halides. Here the compound in which the halogen atom bonded with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of C double bond C. Here is the C double bond C, that is also known as a double bond. Here a double bond consider one sigma bond, one pi bond. Remaining hydrogen sigma, next one is the sigma. Here is the 3 sigma 1 pi, that is also called as a sp2 hybridization. So here is the halogen atom. The halogen atom bonded with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, that is also known as this carbon atom undergo sp2 hybridization due to the presence of double bond, that is also known as vinyl halides. Next another one in benzenide groups, halogen atom bonding with the double bond of the carbon, that is also known as vinyl halides.